The Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP, conducted various activities in the designated exercise zone in the West Philippine Sea. Meanwhile, aside from Senate clashing over issues about the West Philippine Sea, heated exchange also erupted in the House of Representatives. Patrick De Jesus has the full report.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines has pushed back against China's criticism regarding the Philippines' designation of a large-scale exercise zone in the waters and airspace of the West Philippine Sea, together with the United States and other partner nations, which includes Scarborough Shoal or Bajo de Masinloc. These activities began on January 21 and will run until March 31, for which a notice to airmen and all mariners, or NOTAM, has already been issued. The first major activity conducted was the maritime cooperative activity between the U.S. Indo-Pacific Command and the AFP last week, participated in by ships and aircraft from both countries. According to the AFP, the exercises being conducted by the country within our exclusive economic zone are not meant to provoke conflict.
Areas that we have sovereignty, sovereign rights, and jurisdiction. It includes Bajo de Masinloc. It is more than 600 nautical miles from mainland China. No provision of international law supports their claim or their accusation. On the other hand, many more such activities and notices will be issued in the coming months.
The AFP also reiterated that there is evidence identifying who is actually causing trouble and interference in the waters.
Historically, the Philippines has been on the receiving end of coercive and aggressive actions. We have not claimed what is not ours. Numbers do not lie. People do. Each time we have an activity, we issue notices either to airmen or mariners. The other side is just making a big deal out of it.
Based on monitoring by the Philippine Navy during the last week of January, a total of 48 PLA Navy and China Coast Guard vessels were monitored, with the highest number, more than 20, located in Bajo de Masinloc. Meanwhile, it is not only lawmakers in the Senate who are clashing over the West Philippine Sea issue. In the House of Representatives, a heated exchange erupted between Minority Floor Leader and 4-piece party list Representative Marcelino Libanan and Cagayan de Oro 2nd District Representative Rufus Rodriguez. In a privileged speech, Libanan pointed out that government officials should remain professional in issuing public statements, later identifying PCG spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela, following the Chinese embassy's protest over a caricature of Chinese President Xi Jinping. Rodriguez did not take kindly to the statement of his fellow lawmaker, which he said appeared to be in defense of China.
I am insulted that a member of this Congress will stand up in favor of China. Madam Speaker, Jay Tariela is doing his job as spokesman of the Philippine Coast Guard, because the very reason why the spokesman has to move and act is because China has been violating the sovereign rights of the Filipino people and the Republic of the Philippines. For so many years, I cannot understand why we are protecting China, who has been the cause of all this aggression.
I am not defending China, Madam Speaker. As I said in my speech, what I am saying is that we have to act with professionalism, discipline, and manage our international relations properly, Madam Speaker.
Rodriguez also warned that he would file an ethics complaint against Libanan. As for the AFP, they said the scope of the West Philippine Sea is clear, as is their duty to protect it.
The coordinates could be plotted out. Anybody will understand na ito ay maliwanag na sa atin, 200 nautical miles, 24 nautical miles, 12 nautical miles from our baselines. Amid the noisy environment, your AFP will keep performing its mandate with our heads held high.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.